Hello everyone. Let us now discuss today's LeetCode POTD problem. Count total number of colored cells. So we are given with an integer n. We need to return the number of colored cells at that minute. So for minute 1, we are colored with only one, sorry, we are colored with only one box or cell. Then at minute 2, the cells which are adjacent to the colored cell are colored. So here at 2, initially I have only one colored cell, but here at 2 I have 5 colored cells. Then after that the colored cells before were this one, this one, this one, this and this. Now after that at minute 3 I have how many colors that are cells that are colored. So totally 4 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 5 which is 13. But if you see there is a pattern, right? At 1 we have only one colored cell, but at 2 we have added one colored cell here, one colored cell here, one and then one here. So totally we have added 4 colored cells to the previous one. And if you see here we have added, so this is the previous grade which is colored. Now here at minute 3 we have added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and then 8. So totally 5 plus 8 colors or cells have been added. Now what would be my count of colored cell at minute 4? It would be plus 12. So 4 for one time, 4 for two times, 4 for three times at minute 4. So 12 plus 13 would give me 25. You can check if you doubt. Now I have 1, 5, 13, 25 like this. Now initially I was having 1, then I have 5, then I have 13, then I have 25. So when I come here, what are the things? How can I get this 25 is my question. So to get previous one which is 13, and we need to add plus 12 which is 4 minus 1, 3 into 4. I am adding that to my previous count. So how do I get this previous count? For this I need to add 8 to my previous count. Now how do I get this 5? I need to add 4 to my previous count. Every time I am adding 4 and then 8 and then 12. If you see, I have added 4 here and then I have added 8 here and then I have added 12 here for only 1. So if I add 1 to 4, it will give me 5. If I add 1 to 4, it would give me 5, and then I add 8, it would give me 2, which is for 3. So for 2, I add 4 for one time. For 3, I add 4 for two times. And then for 4, the number n. For 4, I would add 1 plus 4 plus 8, then 12. So if you see, for n is equal to 4, I have added 1 plus 4 plus 8 plus 12. So I would take this out and take the 4 as common. 4 for one time. So 4 into 2, 8, and then 4 into 3, 12. So I am adding this 4, or this iteration or this would be for 4 minus 1. If you remember, my n value is 4. So this is the sum of n minus 1 elements. So for n, it would be something like n into n plus 1 by 2 is the sum of first n elements. Now if I replace it with n minus 1, it would be n minus 1 into n minus 1 plus 1, n minus 1 plus 1 by 2. So this would be cancelled out, and here it would be n into n minus 1 by 2. So 1 plus 4 here, 4 into n into n minus 1 by 2. So 2 and this 2 will be 4 will be cancelled out. 1 plus 2 into n into n minus 1. This is the total number of colored cells that I can have for value n. This is how you solve this problem. Here is the code, and if you like this video, do share to your friends and do subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to add long or typecasting this long if you are using C++ or Java. So thank you.